In Salesforce, one small field change can change the entire story. Imagine you're reviewing the contract details with a customer. The customer says that the values that we agreed upon don't add up. The sales team says that the change was not intentional. The legal team never approved it, and the finance team worries about the revenue recognition. And suddenly, it's not about the contract details anymore. It's about client trust.
Can we prove what was originally agreed? Because when you can't clearly see what changed, when it changed, or who changed it, you don't just lose visibility, you lose client trust. That's exactly where field history tracking matters. When every critical change is clearly traceable, conversations change. No manual digging, no assumptions, just answers. Now here's where it goes a step further. What if you never miss tracking the fields that actually matter? BeanTrail Agent helps identify which fields should be tracked before issues begin, and lets you enable tracking instantly. So audits become easier, accountability becomes clear, because your Salesforce data can finally be trusted. BeanTrail doesn't just track changes, it protects your data story.